Hello, welcome to another episode of Allotment Gardening, season number 2. And yeah, so the sun is out, it's getting a bit warm. It's sometime in February the Sunday, February the 22nd. That's it. And yeah, 30 degrees today, sun is out, and a bit of procrastinating, but some seeds need to be hatched. In particular, peppers. Need to hatch some peppers, to get them a little boost start. So, in the whole being economical situation, I thought, like, before I go to the shops to get some potted mix, I thought first, let me check out this compost heap that's been here to see if I can get some compost from it. So this is a compost heap that I met here, and I threw some stuff top on the top of it. Um, that was before I had the compost heap at the back, and it's not quite ready as yet. The top of it is not quite ready as yet, and to do the digging, I might need the spade and the shovel, which brings us to another huddle. I can't open the shed because for some reason the key is not opening the padlock. So I might have to get some oil or a little bit of WD-40 to you know put inside the padlock, and hopefully that might get it open. Otherwise I'll have to a bit more creative to try and get it opened. Yeah, so this is the situation that we are facing currently. I was thinking like, hey, I can go to get some horse manure, and but then the spade is inside the shed, and I can't get inside the shed, so I can't get the spade. So we're now to plan number C. And then there's really nice soil down at the back where I planted the potatoes that was harvested for the season, for the Christmas. So yeah, that's my plan C. To get some soil down at the back that I can use for sowing my pepper seeds. Ah, and whilst we're here, the significant other had asked me for some beets this morning, and there you go. Some of the beets that survived the winter. Yeah, wow, amazing. Yeah, I think we can make a juice. Yeah, definitely enough to make a juice. I think there might be a few more as well. Oh, hey, was there on another bed somewhere? Oh yeah, there's a bed. There's another bed right there as well. So, wow, touche, triche, whatever it is. These are very, very tiny. Yep, that's definitely enough to make a juice. I've also got some bigger ones, in my back garden. Might as well just pull them all up because it's almost time to get ready for get my beds ready as well for the to start planting for the spring. Yeah, the beds are not in bad shape. Yeah, so back to where we were before I was you know distracted by the law of beats. Hello. So yeah, at the back, as I was saying, we have some really nice soil here, and you can see I'm not sure what was here before there, but there's quite a lot of wood chipping, so it's really nice soil. So yep, I am going to use some of this to sow my seeds. Of course, I'm going to mix it with some other things I have at home, like some coconut fiber, you know. Yeah, there you go. So soil safe. Yeah. So here you go. Nice soil, for sowing my seeds. Right, people. So thank you so much for watching. As I said, it's all about being economical. And here you go. You can use some soil or compost right from your garden to start your seeds off. So thank you again for watching. Looking forward to a very exciting season. The weather is getting beautiful, if I say so myself. The sun is out, people are happy, everyone is smiling, so keep a smile on your face, and until next time.